In this video, I'm about to make hearts of palm fried rice. Woo! This is gonna be delicious. And we're gonna start this by adding some eggs. In this case, 4 eggs, you know, and then we're gonna just make them scrambled as we go here. Alright, so we're gonna put the eggs to one side. You could take them out if you want. And we're gonna add a little bit of some good quality bacon, no nitrates, none of that stuff. You know what, we're gonna take these eggs out because the bacon is gonna take a little bit. Go ahead and take it out so you don't overcook them. Alright, so now that we got the bacon already a little bit crispy, we're gonna add the mushrooms, some organic mushrooms. Then we wanna add a little bit of olive oil. If I could get this olive oil open. Some olive oil. So now we're gonna add a little bit of cocoa amino to these nice mushrooms, so that way they get a nice flavor. We're gonna be adding some more to the whole rice, but let's go ahead and add some. All right, after a few minutes, we're gonna go ahead and put it to the side. And now we're gonna add some white onions. Just a little bit. I don't wanna eat too much. You could add more if you want. Palmini hearts of palm rice. It's great. It's just 4 grams of carbs per serving. It's 3 servings on this package. First we gotta drain it and then put it in a pan and dry it. You see the rice here is drying up. Right after you cooked it for a little bit, a few minutes, 3-5 minutes, whatever you want. Now we're gonna add some celery. So everything here is organic, and for the eggs they're pasture raised. And then after a few minutes, you don't wanna overcook the celery. We're gonna add a little bit of shrimp. I like shrimp fried rice. How about you guys? Let me know what you like on your fried rice. We're gonna add a little bit of cocoa amino. So now I'm gonna stir everything together and see how wet it's gonna be, because you don't want it too wet to put in the hearts of palm rice. I turned that up a little bit and this is the consistency I want. Now we're gonna add the hearts of palm. Then after we do, we're gonna stir it in, mix this all. And now we're gonna add the eggs and we're gonna mix it in. So for seasonings, I'm gonna go with some salt and some Chinese 5 spice. This has fennel, cinnamon, cloves, and black pepper. So just a little bit. Just a little bit of spice, and that's it. A little bit of the... Then we mix it. And for the final touch, we're gonna add 2 things. Some sesame oil. And a little bit of cocoa amino. So cocoa amino is a substitute to soy sauce. And then we're gonna mix. So we're gonna mix it for a bit. Let this marinate together and we're gonna serve it. All right, so this is the final results. So what I did, I went on and cooked the lobster tail and some scallops. Low carbs, some good fiber, some protein.
Oh man, I'm about to
Devour this.